This is the situation I'm facing now. I'm choked, I'm blocked here. Lako yana fi? Akwafu. Musi. What do you mean? Musa Tikamu. What do you mean? Volta. This is Akwafu area. The road leading to Nkwanta. We cannot move because the rain has taken the road. The water has taken the road. The drivers cannot move. We are choked over here for several hours. What can we do? Save us. So look at the cars parked front and well. Oh, Volta. We are suffering. Oh, look at it. We are suffering too much. We cannot move. We cannot take a step. The road is taken over by the water, the flood. Look at it. Look at it. Even the president was here last 2 months, but nothing has been done. Look at this. Look at the passengers choked over here for several hours. Save us, oh. Save us. Look at it. We cannot move. At all. The ladies are in, snap them. The MPs are passing here, day in and out. They can't do. The DC, the ministers. Look at how we are suffering. 2 weeks. Wow. Look at it.
President saying 2 weeks. Change.
No way. We cannot move to Jessica, KJB, Hawkway. Look at our beautiful ladies. They are suffering. Look at them. They are all suffering. We are suffering. Oh, save us.
Change is coming.
Yaman ese ewa veto evenyonu. Video imekole ofia fifela jipo enye ya. Ya jipo ntontonto ya mekole ofia. Amegbeto yibu amegbeto fetame efe ehoyu tuna no viewema. Beno no me. Ehoema ehongonu deka self contained. Ya ni mamede atu. Me ape affordable housing there. Ya ne do ya me vude dukpola abia osebe do me zomo wa. Dukpola de le Ghana yi me zomo kwa me do ya me vu po wa. Ya komi zu amede otogbi. Like enyeme kwa be yata I will describe it be wicked leaders. Because Nusiano le miasi, Sikao le miasi, Diamond lo le miasi. Obe contractor modo do gbalo obe no jirado klacho ma jira modo. Contractor about 10% pedo adasi do suswe dade. Gamega de obe mi dako. Yanye mama no blind it plan pipi wa okwe no fi, wa okwe no ezieji. And they will never do anything, even affordable housing. E chigbeme. Jipo de yanye ayata some of our we are saying it. We prefer heaven on earth here than to go to any place. We don't want to die before enjoying ourselves. No, we've got only one life. Jipo po modo do ma duplo la pe mo wenya e mo ka ji na po le Ghana me alo Togo me wa no le e mo ka na po la Africa wa ko le e wa be mi ami ibo de medi e wa be mi ape susu de me ko education yo na mi de me be mi renovate education ya na mi akpongo gbe de gake te pe mi le fuma ko mi galema nyemenya o bia doku yide doku me e choye de kodafe bia doku be ne da cover de assemblyman cho assemblyman ji kaka ko yide jeme de chele gbegbele la me gbeton suku ho me o cho alo o me mi abe mega zami ape susu we o ba bia yin ma bia ma ya mo dodo gble va se de gbe vo mi ansi sikale ame bode nya pe nu onu blani yeah